Today we are here for the video presentation of a final major project, Sign Language Recognition App. First of all, let me introduce my team leader, myself, Riya Gupta, and my first team member, Rahil Siddiqui. Second team member is Khushi Jharia. Third team member is Ayushi Kashyap, and fourth team member is Sanyogita Sondhiya. We have prepared Sign Language Recognition App of the major project. So, sign language is a visual language that is used by deaf and hard of hearing individual to communicate with others. It is a complex language that has its own grammar, syntax, and vocabulary. Sign language is an essential means of communication for millions of people around the world. And it is important that we recognize its value and work to make it more accessible. Our app is designed to recognize and translate sign language. It is our hope that technology will help bridge the communication gap and create a more inclusive world for all. Present next slide. Vision of Sign Language Recognition Act. So, to empower and connect the deaf and hard of hearing community with the hearing world, thought and intuitive, accessible and comparative sign language application, fostering inclusivity, communication, and understanding. To become the leading platform for sign language learning and communication, bridging the gap between depth and hard of hearing and individual and fostering a more inclusive society where everyone can communicate effectively regardless of their hearing ability. Next person is present.
So, mission. So, is the mission of sign language recognition app. The first mission, our mission is to provide a communication for hard hearing people, and and the second one is to recognize sign language app जो है वो sign language recognize app is recognize different gesture of sign language and translate them into English. Second slide.
Use case.
This is it's a ER diagram of sign language, and these are
Use case diagram.
and it's use case diagram of sign language. Another one,
Technology stack.
DFD. And there are the technology stacks, the Python, OpenCV, CNN, TensorFlow, and other APIs. Other services. And the sign language app is provided to a public private conversation in a public place, and also provide it's helpful for autism disorder person who's having autism disorder disease, and it can be cure of for children who can sign language as well as they can access spoken language. The other one is
As for the sign language recognition app project, I share the features are real-time recognition and translation, multiple language support, offline mode, user-friendly interface, interactive tutorial, voice output, text to sign translation, custom sign library, gesture accuracy, feedback, and social integration. Now, I share the development journey from the 23rd to 24. The primary motivation to the improvement communication between deaf or hard of hearing individual and those who do not know sign language. This has the social inclusion and the accessibility in the various settings such as education, workplace, and public place, etc. It serves as a bridge for effective misunderstanding and promoting smoother interactive in everyday situation.
Development in 2024, app implementation involves integrating Python, TensorFlow, and OpenCV. We have currently created a home page that looks like this: Sign Connect, hands-on communication made easy. Now we have created a data set using Python. In that data set, we have used signs such as hello, goodbye, please, thank you. We have captured the images using OpenCV and labeled the images using Label Image Library. We will use TensorFlow Object Detection API for detecting the objects. We have used the pre-model by using TensorFlow Model Zoo. We will train the data set using transfer learning. Our project is still in working stage due to lack of technical expertise. The project is not fully developed. Challenges.
Challenges of recognition. Recognition, interpreting sign language gesture accurately poses several challenges, including verification in signing style, background, noise, and lighting conditions. Overcoming these challenges is essential for the app initiative.